So guys, like I said, today's video is super simple, super easy. I will be showing you guys how to line up a client's eyebrows, or how to clean up a client's eyebrows using your straight razor. YouTube family, what's good? You already know it's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So guys, I decided to switch it up. As you can see, I'm rocking an entirely different hair color. Let me know in the comment section if you guys dig it or not. I was getting super bored of just having black hair. You guys know how it is being a creative. You get super bored with your hair, the way you dress. You're always, switching it up, looking for something new. Nonetheless, guys, let's focus on today's video. As you can see by the title, it's super simple, super easy. I'm sure my intro is probably longer than today's tutorial, but guys, I want to really keep up the consistency. I really want to keep pushing out videos so that I can finally get monetized on YouTube, and that would really boost the channel so much, because if I do start earning from YouTube, it would make it so much easier for me to start getting resources. For example, a new laptop to edit, because this machine right here is giving up on me. She be getting old, man. But nonetheless, new laptop, I lay by one. I'm saving up for it. I should get it within the next 6 months. But if you guys can continue liking, commenting, and most importantly, please share the content, then I can most definitely reach my goal much quicker. Nonetheless, guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like, interact with me, let me know how you feel about the content in the comment section. And guys, I really wanted to add something new to my videos. I really wanted us to interact some more. So what I want to do is I basically want to ask a question, and I really like if you guys could answer that question in the comment section. It has nothing to do with the tutorial. It's more so just that you and I could get to know each other on a more personal level, if that makes sense.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But yeah, just so that we can build a good relationship, you know what I mean? And today's question is, who's your hero? And why is that person your hero? So let me know in the comment section, and I will be answering that question in my next video. So guys, like I said, today's video is super simple, super easy. I will be showing you guys how to line up a client's eyebrows, or how to clean up a client's eyebrows using your straight razor. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's super easy, super simple, and it's an easy way to add to your service. Basically, you charge a bit extra for this quick and easy service, and I mean, it doesn't take too long. If you make me an extra 30-40 bucks from the service, I mean, it's extra 30 bucks you never had, and it's only a 5 to 10 minutes extra. So guys, let me stop talking so much. I know this intro is probably super long already, but nonetheless, you already know, if you are new to the channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Most importantly, share, so that I can start moving in the YouTube algorithm. I'm done speaking. Guys, let's go ahead, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Peace. So guys, let's go ahead and let's jump straight into it. So first things first, you're gonna go ahead and apply some Vaseline. You can use shaving gel, or even if you want, you can use some face lotion. So this is just so that you don't shave on a dry canvas. Basically, you want to make sure that your client has some moisture to their skin when you are performing the service. So as you can see right there, I'm making sure that I comb my client's eyebrow properly. And right now I'm grabbing my straight razor, and as you can see, with my one hand I am applying pressure onto his eye. Not too much of pressure, just enough to pull the skin away from the blade, so that you don't cut your client in that area, because the skin is really super sensitive. And as you can see over there, you basically because we are lining up guys eyebrows, we don't want to give it too much of shape. So as you can see right there, I'm basically just giving it a really light, really easy shape, because the true purpose of this service is basically just to get rid of the excess hair around your eyebrows, just to make sure that you can give it enough definition. And guys, like I said, this is a super easy, super simple service to perform. As you can see, I'm basically done with this side already. It's always good to just take your time, take a few steps back, and make sure that you are always pulling the skin in the opposite direction that you are shaving in. And for the other side, we'll go ahead and focus on the exact same steps. Hey, please forgive my ashy hands, guys. And guys, don't forget, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like. And while you're at it, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about the content. And as you can see with this service, I was actually still busy completing a service. So right now, what I'm going ahead and doing is I'm going over my client's lineup one last time. But guys, this is a very simple, very easy service. If you are new to the channel, definitely go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like and a comment. Interact with me. Let me know how you feel about the content. It is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace.